Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. As you know, I always bring profitable projects in front of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today I have amazing project for you in which you can invest and get good profit. So let's begin and move to the project. But before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bells to get updated by my upcoming and latest video. Okay guys, so today in this video we are diving down into puppydex.com. This is a new smart tool for BSC traders. You can track trending tokens, scan projects and trade smarter on BSC. First of all, here we have the contract address. You can simply copy this address to get their token easily. Then we have the DEX screener chart. You have to view the DEX screener. Here we have details of the DEX screener. You can check out the market cap value, their liquidity. Then there we have some of the more details about their graph, etc. So you can check out all the required details of the project here. So all you have to do is to check the details about this project on DEX screener. Then here we have the PancakeSwap. You can simply go through the PancakeSwap to buy the token. You have to enter the quantity, connect your wallet and simply buy the token. You can buy the token through BNB Smart Chain. You have to simply enter the quantity, then you have to click on connect wallet. So in this way you can simply buy the token. But first you must be able to know more about the project. Here we have some more details about the PuppyDex screener token. You can see you can scan any BSC token instantly, price, liquidity, FDV, 24-hour change verification. You can open trending tokens from here. This is a fun and community-driven meme coin built with ambition powered by GPT. PuppyDex is transparently developed using AI, no hidden team, just real VN. Then we have some more details. You can join the pack, a token inspired by the spirit of community with zero fees and endless fun. No taxes, fixed supply, 100 billion, no burn on redistribution fees. PuppyDex is a community-driven meme-inspired cryptocurrency designed to engage crypto enthusiasts and dog lovers alike. With zero transaction fees and fixed supply, PuppyDex offers seamless trading and strong emphasis on community involvement, aiming to build a lasting, decentralized economy. So the mission as VN is to aim to unite puppy lovers and crypto enthusiasts in a fun, community-driven ecosystem. Their mission is to create an entertaining and engaging meme coin that fosters a global network of supporters, providing joy and potential financial reward without traditional barriers or centralized. Then we have the VN of the project. VN is so simple to establish as a leading meme coin that not only offers entertainment but also explores meaningful partnerships and utilities, thereby adding lasting value to the cryptocurrency space. Here we have some more details of their journey. We can see all the journey details of the project. They come from the blockchain background and had no coding team, no crypto investors. All they had was a strong desire to create something real, a fun and community powered cryptocurrency. Here we have option to the white paper. You can check the white paper to know more about the project. Here we have simply white paper. So here we are redirected to the white paper. You can download the white paper from here. All you have to do is to click on download and then you are going to get the white paper. We have some more details about their contract addresses. You can simply check out their contract. We have the contact of their Telegram, Instagram, Reddit. You can simply join through the Telegram, and if you have any type of inquiry, if you have any type of question, you can ask to their team and stay in touch with the team. Then you can simply follow them on Instagram and Reddit as well to know more about the project. Here we have the white paper. You can check the white paper. This is a decentralized community powered meme token which is designed to unite crypto lovers, dog lovers and everyday internet users around a playful yet powerful utility project. Created 100% with the help of GPT AI tools, PuppyDex is proof that curiosity, ambition and technology can lead to innovation. Here we can see the token name, their ticker, chain which is BNB Smart Chain, decimals, contract address as well. Then we have the roadmap. Roadmap is simple. First phase launch and foundation, then phase 2 for community building, 3 for ecosystem expansion, etc. Then we have their GPT new way to build crypto, their official website links, every details of the project. So you can check out the details as well. Okay guys, so this was all about today. I'll drop all the required links of this project in my description which you can use to access. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.